In this video, I'll guide you through how to manually mark an invoice as paid in Wave Accounting. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, keeping track of your invoices efficiently is crucial. Wave Accounting provides a straightforward way to manage your invoices, and today I'll show you how to mark one as paid manually. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the left-hand sidebar of your Wave Accounting dashboard. Look for the Sales or Sales and Payments drop-down tab. This section is your go-to area for all things related to sales, including your invoices. Go ahead and click on it, then select Invoices from the list. This will take you to the invoice management area where you can see all your pending, paid, and overdue invoices at a glance. Once you're on the invoice screen, find the specific invoice that you want to mark as paid. You can scroll through your list or use the search feature to find it quickly if you have a long list of invoices. When you locate the invoice, click on it to open the invoice preview screen. This screen provides a detailed view of the selected invoice, including the amount due, the due date, and any payment history associated with it. Now, direct your attention to the top of the invoice preview screen. You'll notice a blue button labeled Record a Payment. Click on this button to proceed to the next step. This feature is especially handy for those times when a payment is received outside of Wave, like a cash payment or a check, and you need to update your records. After clicking the Record a Payment button, you'll see a form with several fields that you need to complete. This is where you'll enter the payment details. First, input the amount that was paid. Make sure this matches the payment you received to avoid any discrepancies in your records. Next, choose the payment date. This date should reflect the day you actually received the payment. It's important for maintaining accurate financial records that align with your cash flow. Then, select the payment method. Wave allows you to choose from various options, such as cash, check, bank transfer, or other methods. Pick the one that corresponds to how the payment was made. If it's a method not listed, you can select Other and add a note for clarification. You'll also see an optional field for adding a memo or notes. Use this space to jot down any relevant details about the payment, such as the check number or any other reference that might help you in the future. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. Double-check the amount and payment date, as these are crucial for your records. When you're satisfied, go ahead and click the Save button. This action will update the invoice status to paid, and the payment will be recorded in your accounting records. And that's it! You've now successfully marked an invoice as paid in Wave Accounting. This simple process helps ensure that your financial records reflect your actual cash flow, which is essential for accurate bookkeeping. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more of our tutorials to help you make the most of your Wave Accounting experience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and guides.